Patawad!
Maganda rin dito sa page natin yung mga updates sa mga susunod na pangyayari dito. Don't tell Aliyah.
Just want to know what is there in the DPWH Quezon City office that was burning a few hours ago. Ano bang laman doon?
If I'm not mistaken, this might be part of the Region 4A office. Kasi kung yun yung nasa Kamuning area, I'm not sure. But I know there are one or two offices along EDSA in that area, Quezon City, 4A. So I hope it is not our zone.
I just thought that the media would be interested to find out. Miss, the ASEC of DPWH?
Asek Villar.
Yes, Your Honor. This is actually Region 4B, the Regional Office 4B of the DPWH.
4B.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mindoro.
Ito po yung dito po ang site ng testing materials ng DPWH na mga suppliers like semento, mga bakal. Dito po tinitest. So, we are looking into it already. Pero ito po yung testing site.
Testing site. Wala mga dokumento ron?
Of course, meron po, Your Honor.
Naku.
So, testing site, with the permission of the Senate President, testing site and